Hello everyone, in this session we are going to see how to customize the command bar control of model driven form. As you pretty much familiar, this is our command bar control. Previously it is known as the ribbon bar control, and we need to customize this ribbon bar control we need to add one solution. It's a third party solution into install, and then we need to do our customization. But now model driven have made our life pretty much easy. They have provided the out of box functionality where we can inside our palm, it's very easier for us to customize the this command bar control. So let's see how it do it. So I have already created one model driven form, and let me click on edit, and I will show you how in this model driven form I already added a couple of database tables. So simply you just need to locate your database table where you want to customize your command bar, and then click on these three dots, and you can see this option is already there, edit command bar control. And from here you can simply add or remove your command bar controls. So it's showing you the four options. As we pretty much familiar, we have a main grid. It's a normal, the view that we have whenever we click on any database tables. So this is the main view, and here you have a command bar control, so we can have a control, or you can configure command bar control as per your need. Second is a main form. Whenever you click on any particular record, so you have this command bar here. So also here you can do any changes in this command bar from this option. Third one is subgrid. Normally we have a subgrid in our forms. So let's say I have the contact, and I have only one button, but if you want to add a few more buttons, so I can use that third option also, subgrid view. And the last one is the associated view. So this is my associated view. You just need to go to the related records and click on this address. So this related address related entities showed over here, and I have few controls, and I can have a control on this control. I can add any new button, or I can just simply configure the customization as per my need. So these four options we have to do. So for this session I'm going to use this main grid. Let me click on edit, and you can see right now it will just simply they have redirect us on this option. So this is the entire the canvas they have provided us, where we can simply made our changes. So let me add a button over here. So for this option we have three options is provided. Command bar, it's a simple button. Drop down, it's a drop down button where we can have a if we have to add multiple buttons, so we can use drop down. And third one is split button, where we can have a multiple options we can simply add over here. But in drop down the main advantage is, like, we have a group option is available. So it for a user scenario, we can have a grouping, and we can, as per the group, we can have our own buttons. So for this demo I'm going to use this drop down button. So as you can see, this drop down buttons automatically gets added in third option, but as per your need you can just navigate, drag down, and as per your need you can simply place it over as per your need over there. So you can see this button is added and new group is showing. So let me first give a meaningful name. So I will give you the name called Power Platform, and let me choose icon. So icon, I mean, we have a out of box options available, and we can also, if you want your own icon, so you can just simply create, import, add those icon as a web resource, and you can use those also. Let me quickly add icon. These are the out of box icon, are those are available. It's Power Apps icon. So yeah, I have added the icon. Now the second thing is, like, yeah, before second thing, there are one more property called visible. So right now I'm just the by default property is show, but as per our need we can simply add a few more options, like, based on my customization. I can simply add my formula over here, and simply hide and show button. So this is the normal option. We can normal PowerFX formula we can simply write over here, and the right over here. So now go back to the new group. Let me give meaningful group called Power Apps. Okay, so this group I have created, and inside that group I'm going to add the buttons. So this is my first button. It's and I'm going to give JavaScript. Okay, and yeah, I'll just leave it here. And in action I have two options are there. One is JavaScript and one is formula. So now model driven gives you flexibility. If you want to go a bit with JavaScript, if you want to do some complex operation where you think that PowerFX formula is not capable, so you can simply go for JavaScript option. And for JavaScript, first of all you need to add a library. So I've already created one library called command bar. Let me add that library. Yeah, so I'll show you what inside my library. It's a simple JavaScript function I have created. This is my webresource.js file, and I created one function called show pop-up, and it's just show the sample pop-up message. That's it. And then this same I have already this same JavaScript file I have uploaded as a web resource called as command bar, and then I've added that library. Now, after adding this library, we need to specify the function. So as you can see, we already have this function. So just copy this function name and simply provide function name over here. And that's it. We don't need to do any fancy thing over here. So that's the first step. So it is saving. And one thing we need to make sure, like, whenever you make any certain changes on your command bar, so it will take time to reflect your changes on the command bar control. So that's why you sometimes you need to hit control F5, or you need to refresh your page a couple of times. So just you need to take care of this thing. So I will just simply refresh this page couple of time control by using control F5. Now it's loading. Yeah, you can see this is my account form, and my ribbon bar is empty. Yeah, you can see my ribbon bar is up here. And now I click on the ribbon bar. You can see this Power Apps group is coming up, and I have added only one button, so that's why it's showing one button over there. And if I click on the button, you can see this model pop-up is coming up, comfort dialog is coming up, and you have these two options. So this is how this your JavaScript function is actually run inside your command bar control. Now we'll look for the second option. For the second option, I'm going to add one more button. And now instead of using JavaScript, I'll going to use PowerFX formula. It's no icons, and here I just need to choose the run formula. Yeah, I click on this FX formula. So it is pretty much similar to the canvas formula that we are using in Canvas app. It is pretty much simple to that, but the only thing that it has very limited capability. In Canvas app, we have plenty of properties are available, like visible property. Then we have on select. We have on change property. But here in this command part, we only have one property for on select. Whatever you need change you need to do, you just need to use this property. So simply I'll use confirm. This is the function that is available, uh, and is formula effects. Yes, and just simply save and hit semicolon. So this is the simple, the Power FX formula I have right over here. I click on save. And the one of the most good thing in this formula F is like you can perform the patching operation. If you want to make some changes on your existing record, so you can perform that the crude operation inside this formula bar by using patch operation. The only thing is that in this formula bar, we are not supposed to declare any variable, like the set get variable, get variable, and update context variable. We are not supposed to declare those control variable because those is not supported in this formula bar. So it has few limitations. Now I have just saved this, and it is open. Let me refresh this page again, and let's see if my PowerFX new button got added on my ribbon of my command bar. Oh yes, you can see this is a group. First group we have saw JavaScript, and second one is PowerFX. So let me click. Yeah, you can see I am in Formula FX. So this is my confirm dialog box. It is executed. So you see, means now MongoDB have made us our developers life pretty much easier, and from here you can simply customize a lot of having a good control on the command bar, and you can customize as per your need. Thanks for this session, guys.